I want to start with healthcare because there has been a Republican leadership group of about 11 or so men who are working on overhauling the healthcare in the Senate. People have said, a senior White House official has said that there is an optics problem. What do you make of all this?
Excuse me, women are not an optics problem. These men are going to get together and they're going to decide whether or not women are going to have access to birth control, whether or not we're going to have maternity coverage, whether or not there's going to be continued funding for Planned Parenthood. And they see that as an optics problem. That just tells me a big part of what's wrong with the Republican leadership in the United States Senate. The problem right now is health care for Americans, and it's access to affordable health care. And that includes women. We're not just optics, we're really there and need that health care.
Well, let me ask you, would you work with people like Senator Susan Collins and across the aisle if there was a bipartisan way to reform Obamacare?
You know, the Democrats right now are calling out to the Republicans, saying, come and work with us, but with two goals in mind. The first one is, let's find ways we can expand coverage, and the second one is to drive down cost. So, for example, we've got a big bill right now that would cut the cost of drugs, pharmaceuticals, prescription drugs. This is killing families, and it's also really driving up health insurance costs and driving up the cost for the federal government on what we cover. So there are lots of areas where we can improve health care coverage, not just optics, that's right, where we could really improve.